If you've ever wondered, how do I actually improve my credit score? You're not alone. This is one of the most common money questions people ask ChatGPT. So let's walk through it step by step in simple language. First, what is a credit score? It's a number that shows how risky or how safe you look to lenders. A higher score usually means better chances of getting approved. And it often means lower interest rates on things like credit cards, cars, or even a home. Step 1. Know your starting point. Check your credit score and your full credit report. You can usually get a free report every year, and many banks or apps show your score for free. Look for mistakes, like accounts that aren't yours or wrong late payments. If you see an error, file a dispute and ask to have it fixed. Step 2. Pay every bill on time. This is the single most important part of your credit score. Set up automatic payments, even if it's just the minimum. Use reminders on your phone or calendar. One late payment can hurt, but a long streak of on-time payments can help a lot. Step 3. Keep your balances low. This is called your credit utilization. It's the part that compares how much you owe to how much credit you have. A simple goal: try to use less than 30% of your limit on each card. Lower is even better. You can pay extra during the month, not just on the due date, to keep that number down. Step 4. Think before closing old accounts. The age of your credit history matters. An older account can be helpful, even if you don't use it much. If it has no big fees, consider keeping it open. Step 5. Go slow with new credit. Every time you apply for a new card or loan, your score can dip a little for a short time. Only apply for new credit when you truly need it. Step 6. Give it time. Improving your credit score is more like a habit than a hack. Small, steady moves beat quick tricks. Pay on time, keep balances low, avoid unnecessary debt, and your score can grow. If you'd like to turn guides like this into your own explainer videos, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can create clean, animated videos just like this one, quickly and without needing any editing skills. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a stronger credit score, one smart step at a time.